This is something to thank God for. The other thing you have astonished me with is when I saw my picture on the t-shirts, everywhere, even on the wall, and a big one somewhere there. And the president told me there is even a bigger one somewhere else. And my question was, where did you get those pictures from? That shows Gambela is connected to satellites up there. I was amazed. Some of the pictures I'm preaching. It is like you are following me wherever I am. To me, that is fine. Because when your children are following you, you are a blessed father. Thank you very much. I need one of those pictures so that my wife can look at it also. When we live here, I'll pass by there and look at myself a little more. I need to look at myself on that picture a little more. Well, thank you very much for doing that. It's a sign of love and acceptance. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for this church. The size of this church by itself shows that Gambela people are great people. I'm not ashamed to come here today to organize this new field because I can tell that this is going to be one of the greatest fields in the East Central Africa division. I think that Mesgen, the Lucas, the Alemu have no fear to organize Gambela Field.